Hey guys, Stan Dale, President of Florida Suncoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Hey, stuck here in the Houston airport trying to get out tonight. Hopefully get home late tonight. But I want to get this video up for everybody. Want to first of all say thanks to everybody that came out to the invasion in Orlando last week. It had a great weekend. We put up the BMW City. Check us out on the Facebook account, and everybody's posting pictures and et cetera about that. So thanks to the M chapter. Thanks to the Everglades chapter, Sunshine. Thanks to BMW CCA for coming out, and for the Performance Center. So we had a ton of people out. Had a really great setup, and a little rainy, a little cold, but we survived it. And we talked to some new people, new membership. So it was a lot of fun. Visited with old friends, new friends, and made new members. So it was really pretty cool. Let me do a quick rundown. We have 9 events coming up in the next week or two. So let me run through those real quick. First of all, Saturday the 24th, we have a joint driving event. Jacksonville and Ocala joining together to meet out. I think this is at Macopany, if I said that right. Drive out for lunch. So check that out on the 24th. March 2nd, we have 2 events going on. Sarasota Cars and Coffee, BMW Sarasota, and then Naples Drive to Cruise and Chow down at Chokoloskee. So that's Anthony and Debbie's event down there. We haven't gone south in a lot of years, so this will be our first event that deep south, south of Naples, and what a really neat place to hang out down there from 1 to 4 o'clock. On the 3rd, March the 3rd, breakfast at Punta Gorda, Port Charlotte. That's John, and we're teaming up with the Z Group, so having breakfast on the 3rd. On the 5th, we're at St. Pete and Clearwater. The Asian Pearl. So Jeff's got us at a new location there. Asian food, so it should be good. Looking forward to that on the 5th. On the 9th, we have 2 events there. Jacksonville, Caffeine and Octane. That's Al, that's just a really neat event. Caffeine and Octane. A lot of folks come out. So looking forward to that. On the 9th, we have Lakeland. Cars and Coffee at Fields BMW. So that's Kyle's event. Just that thing's going strong as well. I encourage you to get there. On the 10th, I mean, we got a whole weekend of stuff to do here. On the 10th, we're the last of the season. We're going to park it for the summertime, but this is the last Naples Cars and Coffee at Germain BMW down in Naples. So come on out, make it a blowout. If you're down in that neighborhood, come and join us, and then we'll park that for the summer. We're going to do some other things with Germain BMW, John Koska and his group. We're going to be doing some tennis tournaments and some other things. So we'll be bringing some news there. On the 10th, also on the north side of Florida, in Ocala area, Horsepower Cup and Car Parade. Mary Beth has put together this amazing thing at the polo match. Cars do a parade on the polo field. And they'll that trophies and the whole 9 yards. It's a very upscale thing, and then you do a tailgate at the Polo Club there at Horsepower Cup and Car Parade. So check that out on the 10th. If you're in the up in the North Florida area, or you just want to take a big drive up that north side, this is going to be a really cool event. Kudos to Mary Beth for rolling this thing out. Let me jump ahead to April 12th real quick. Is a Revs tour, so we need 20 folks on that Revs tour. We got people signing up, so go ahead and get on there if you've never been there. Amazing place to go see what they have. Probably one of the country's top 3, and maybe the world's top 3 collections. Just some really rare stuff. I always enjoy going and seeing that. So April the 12th. Also in April, if you didn't see it already, the MIX in Spartanburg. So go ahead and get your registration. As we get the registrations up and going, we'll put a petition out, who's going up, and then we'll arrange a drive along and ride along and see what we do there. I'm talking over the intercom here, so bear with me. And then the last thing I'm going to tell you is we think we've lined up a performance day the day before we arrive at the Mountain Drive in October. For those folks that have RSVP'd for the Mountain Drive, we're full. So expect an email with some information about a performance drive the day before at a really good rate. I want to go ahead and thank Reed Wilson at the Performance Center for lining this up, and we're working out the details right now. But watch for an email. I'm going to need a commitment for at least 10 to 15 people to make that happen, but the price is going to be crazy. So we expect it to be about $239 for the event at the Performance Center. If you want to get in, watch. We'll load some information so you can get there. Until then, check out the website. We have some other events going on. We have some joint events going on with PCA, Porsche, Everglades Group, and those kind of things. Look on the website. You can see that information. Until then, I'm going to fly safe. You drive safe, and we'll see you soon. Happy motoring, y'all. Bye now.